Right. So now we're in 9.2. Okay, this is exactly the same problem. I've already erased the one that's the outlier, and I managed to get something correlated. Exact same problem. But now 9.2, the question is, what is the equation of the line, like that green line that I drew on that first video for this? Okay, what is the equation of that line? Now, ordinarily, I think in terms of y equals mx plus b, because that's the way I learned lines. M was the slope, b was the y-intercept. Okay, that's sort of what's going on here. I'm still got it on my calculator. I did my Lin-Reg t-test, and I picked off r, but way up at the top it said y equals a plus bx. Okay, and it also told me in there that a is 11 point, I'll round that up, 22, and b is 3.3. Again, I'm rounding up. That's what it says. Okay, these three, I just got all three of these lines straight off my calculator. So if someone asks, what's the equation of the line, they're not supposed to ask it unless it's correlated. So that first one, I didn't even need to take that information down. It's not relevant if it's not correlated. Okay, but now that I've hit one that is correlated, what is the equation of the line? All right, so I write down y equals 11.22 plus 3.3x. All right. And this, it bothers me. I mean, it's fine. I just read that off there, and I put the A right where it belongs, and I put the B right where it belongs. My question is just, why can't they use mx plus b like everyone else? Everyone knows mx plus b from some algebra class somewhere. Why did they decide, well, first of all, I'm going to put the constant term at the beginning, and I'm going to put the thing with the slope at the end, and worse yet, I'm going to use the letter b to mean slope when everyone else uses it to mean y-intercept. You just basically have to forget that y equals mx plus b that you got somewhere. And if you just go with this, okay, my calculator said this, my calculator said this, my calculator said this, I stick them together. And then there's no combined like terms here. You don't try and smoosh this all into one. You just leave it like that. You put this number right in the A spot, you put that number right in the B spot, and then you go, okay, I've written the equation of the line. And that's basically all there is in 9.2.